All right, you guys, so I thought about it for a little while, and I think that I'm going to do the anime on the car, and we're just gonna have to see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out good, and hopefully you like it, and then maybe I'll do something on this. Not quite sure if I want to mess with this too much until I get in the garage, but we'll just have to see. And you know what we got going on in here. Still got the wife's 86. I have been procrastinating a lot. I don't want to put that in the GT. I really want to do the Ford swap, so we'll just have to see. Hey everybody, welcome back. So I'm doing this manga style, I guess they call it, and I figured I'd try it out before I paint it, and I'll tell you what colors I'm thinking about at the end of this video. Hopefully you guys will comment and vote on what color I should go with. But I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers and all the old subscribers. That's why I do this, to put the entertainment out there for you guys to enjoy. And I also want to say thank you because the last video, the mission statement, it's been doing really good. And I just appreciate all the views that I get and the comments. I love replying to the comments, and I'm going to try to forever reply to every single comment, like every single comment. I just appreciate the interaction. I get to reach out to people all around the world doing this, and just want to build the car community back up and get ideas from people and just put it out there. And I enjoy cars. I've been working on them for so long, I don't think I'll ever stop. And I'd like to do something crazy to this car with a Fox body if I can find one, and just do some more nonsense and make another one-of-one car. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. But I'll keep pumping out these videos as much as I can. I've also been thinking about putting on my second channel, 86 Family, some fishing videos, because when I tell people how many fish I be catching out on the water, they're somewhat impressed. I love fishing, catching bass, catching anything that swims. And if you guys think that's a good idea, go ahead and let me know, because I might do that. I got a little John boat I've been working on. I thought about putting some videos of the stuff I've been doing of that. And if that's something you guys are interested in, let me know in the comments. If you know any guys that are into cars, or girls that are into cars, or anybody, just tell them about the channel, and let's grow together. And for this one, I don't think I'll ever be done with this one either. I'd like to get another one, but that'll just take a little time. But until then, I'm looking to get a truck before winter, something that I can get around in and not have to drive these, so that I can do some work on them in the winter. So this is what I got done for today. I'm gonna get it up and working tomorrow, and I'll do some more. Still gotta do a lot on this side. And we're back on another day doing it. You see that 86 in the background. If you guys didn't know, that's the original gt86, and this gt86 was built because of that. So it's like the father and the son, and my 86 is as old as me, and my GT is as old as my son, ironically. And that one back there is the only 86 with a full Altezza swap. So the engine, transmission, differential, the rear suspension, the front suspension, and front steering, I ordered it all from Japan. I cut it, welded it, and modified it to fit. Then through a standalone ECU, custom harness from Panic, and some other little odds and ends. But that thing's a lot of fun. If you guys enjoy this 86 content and the old Japanese resto mod, that one I have a playlist on. Alright, so this is what I did to the GT. Wanted to try it out, at least for a little while, before I decide what color I'm going to paint it. I really want to make it like the desert tan, army tan, or the army green. since I'm in the application process for the Army National Guard. I'm trying to go work on those Black Hawk helicopters. So if you want to support your country for free, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell me what you think. I'm trying to grow and make some crazy stuff that people like. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and help me out a little bit. I don't know how I feel about it, but since I've done it, I've had a lot more people videotaping me while I'm driving down the road, and everybody seems to love it. I've got a lot of compliments, so I might have it like this for about a month, but that's how it's looking now. I didn't want to do too much, and if I was going to do more, I'd probably have to put some shading on it, but I don't think it's too bad. At least she runs good. So you guys tell me what you think. Leave a comment down below and tell me what color do you think I should make it, desert tan or camo green.